What if I told you that thousands of online jobs don't ask for a traditional resume? Many companies care more about whether you can complete simple tasks accurately and on time than where you've worked before. Here are 15 beginner-friendly remote tasks you can start learning today. Data entry, image labeling for AI training, online survey participation, website and app testing, audio transcription, video captioning, virtual chat support, content moderation, product categorization for online stores, proofreading AI-generated text, basic internet research, email organization and inbox management, calendar scheduling for busy professionals, simple spreadsheet updates, social media comment moderation. The key isn't applying to hundreds of jobs, it's becoming fast, reliable, and detail-oriented. Many remote employers provide short assessments or paid trial tasks instead of requesting years of experience. Build your confidence by mastering one skill at a time, then gradually expand into higher-paying opportunities. Remember, legitimate remote work doesn't require you to pay upfront fees to get hired. Always research the company, read reviews, and avoid offers that promise unrealistic earnings for little effort. The remote job market continues to grow because businesses need flexible workers for repetitive but essential tasks. If you're consistent, communicate well, and meet deadlines, you can create opportunities without a polished resume. If this video opened your eyes to new online income possibilities, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week, we uncover practical ways to earn online, build valuable skills, and stay ahead of the digital economy. Your first remote opportunity could be just one application away.